Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can post a buy or sell ad on Binance P2P. So in that case, you just have to go and log in into your Binance application. So click the sign up or login and enter in your credential and log in into your Binance application. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, you need to go ahead and select P2P trading. For that, go to your Binance logo and scroll down to the bottom and go to P2P trading. As you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap on the ad on the bottom navigation bar. You can see there's this ad option. Go ahead and press that. On this page, you could go ahead and enable a passcode or not. If you don't want to do it so, click the skip button, press on post ad. And if you're sure about it, click the OK button. Set up your ad by choosing either buy or sell type and pick the crypto asset and a fiat currency you wish to trade. So that is how you can post a buy or sell on Binance P2P. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.